Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with Edmonds Campsite. So today we're going to go ahead and do a product review pertaining to a wall cover. So just recently Emma, who is my pet dog, she had surgery on her leg and we needed to confine her to a certain area. So I was looking around trying to find a cage and I finally figured out, you know what, let me get a wall piece that will, keep her in the area, isolated area, as well as utilize it for other things. Now this wall I got it from Amazon. It's a 4-part wall. It was around $70 on Amazon. The cheapest one I could find on Amazon. I couldn't find any as used to reduce the price, so I just bought a new wall. Hopefully it works for what I need it for, and let's go ahead and check this out. You help me out, Phoenix? As you can see, this wall piece is pretty simple. The wall piece is made of thin wood. It's a dark brown. It's pretty easy to open. Now, because it's not that expensive compared to other wall pieces I've saw, I mean, this was really one of the cheapest 4-section wall pieces that I found on Amazon. That I didn't want to go to the point where I was buying real cheap material. Again, like I said, it was around $70 on Amazon, and I got these cats here near me. Anytime I'm opening up a product, they're gonna be around me. So Midnight and Phoenix. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and lift it up and see what this is about. It's pretty much one section, nothing to put together. Phoenix, I need you to move. Let's go. Movie. Let's go. You gonna stay in there? Okay. Let's see if he stays in there. Alright, time to move it. Let's go. Whee! Alright, thank you. I'm gonna keep her here. Alright, so like I said, it's one piece, and all it's gonna do, it's already set up from the box, and all you have to do is open it up. And voila! Pretty neat. Like I said, piece is made of thin wood, and it looks really nice. It's actually pretty sturdy. Nice background too. If you leave it in one place, I'm pretty sure it'll last for a while. However, I have cats, so I'm not sure if they're gonna destroy it because you know how cats like to, scratch on things. I hope they don't. Just to let you know, I do have this wall, this one I have. And it's actually lasted pretty well, except for, as you can see right here, that right there, the little panels came off of it. My cat actually took these panels off from there. He was trying to get to the other side and he couldn't find a way, so he just decided to start acting like freaking The Shining.
Here's Johnny!
Really nice background piece. Like I said, I am going to be using it to block some pathways and to keep my dog isolated from the area because she just went through surgery, and I was just looking for something. But as you can see, this thing is really nice. I think it's gonna do really well based off of how it feels and how it it sits or stands. I do like it. So anyway, just wanted to go ahead and provide you this content. Maybe you're looking for a wall, or maybe you're looking for some type of background for your YouTube channel, or just to put it in your living room as a decor. I don't want to recommend it just yet because I don't know how long it's gonna last. Like I said, I do have animals. I do have cats. I do have dogs. so don't know how long, but I will respond on my comments down below as time goes by pertaining to, you know, how this thing is doing. But anyway, just want to go ahead and provide you this piece of content. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and I catch you on the flip side. Say hi, Emma. Say bye. Bye. Bye.